Ayun, happy Pastor's Day, Pastor Kevin and Pastor JR. Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga sakripisyo at turo na ibinigay niyo sa amin kung paano kami lumago sa Panginoon. And also, panalangin ko sa Panginoon na patuloy kayong pagpalain sa inyong mga ginagawa at patuloy maging pagpapala sa mga tao na sa paligid ninyo. And salamat kay Pastor JR na patuloy na nagtuturo sa amin para mas lumago pa sa instrument and also mas makilala pa ang Panginoon. And ganoon din kay Pastor Kevin na patuloy kaming ginagabayan, patuloy kaming pinaalahanan na mas mahalaga na magkaroon ng relasyon sa ating Panginoon. Muli, nagpapasalamat ako at binabati ko po kayo na Happy Pastor's Day. Salamat po.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy Pastors Appreciation Month.
If I would describe both our pastors, it will be welcoming because walang pagkakataon na hindi feel neglect or not welcome yung mga bagong visitors sa church natin. And I also pray for them na they won't change and do what they always do and pagpatuloy nila yun. And they did a good job for that.
And if I would describe our pastor in one word as well, I would definitely say that cheerful one. Kasi parang in every circumstances or situation na meron tayo sa church, you can always see the smiles on their faces. So, sobrang nakakatuwa lang na parang kahit hindi maayos yung mga nangyayari, hindi mo makikita yung malungkot sa mga mukha. And I pray for them, to the both of them na yun nga, patuloy lang kung paano nila nag-glorify si Lord. And sana, mas maging mabait pa sila. Joke, sobrang mabait na sila pero sana sana mas maging kagaya pa nila, ganon. Maging example sila sa church para mas marami pang ma-inspire or maging pastor din.
Sa maalala.
Yeah. Yan. And again, happy Pastor's Appreciation Month. Pastor Kevs and Pastor JR.
Hi, Pastor JR. This month we are celebrating Appreciation Month for our pastor. And this message is for you, Pastor JR. So one word that we can describe Pastor JR is
dedication.
Dedication, right. So, Pastor JR, we would like to express our deepest gratitude for unwavering dedication, spiritual guidance, and tireless service. Your faithfulness in leading, teaching, and caring for the congregation has been a true reflection of God's love and grace. Through every sermon, prayer, and act of kindness, you continue to inspire and strengthen our faith. Your dedication, even challenging times, shows your genuine heart for God and His people. Thank you for your selfless service, your wisdom, and your steadfast commitment to the ministry. You are true blessings to our church family, and we thank God for the gift of your leadership. Again, thank you so much, Pastor JR, as being part of EFC San Francisco. Thank you.
God bless.
Blessed day boy, if I were to describe our pastors in one word, it will be inspiring because their love and passion and dedication to serve God and encourage us to grow deeper in faith and relationship with Him. So thank you, Pastor JR and Pastor Kevin, for being such a great example of humility and perseverance. May God bless you more, give you so much hope, wisdom. May God strengthen you and fill your heart with joy as you lead us to Him. So, thank you po and God bless and happy Pastor's
Si
Appreciation.
Pastor Kevin at si Pastor JR ay parehas na matulungin sa kapwa. Maraming salamat po mga pastor sa patuloy niyong paglilingkod. Pagpalain kayo ni Lord sa inyong mga ginagawa.
Hello po, Pastor Kevin and Pastor JR. Happy Pastor's Appreciation Day. Thank you for your work at church. Thank you for always having an open heart for everybody. I miss EFC San Francisco so much. It was such a good time for me to be there. Greetings from Germany and God bless. Bye bye.
Hello, greetings from Germany and happy Pastors Appreciation Day, Pastor Kevin and Pastor JR. Thank you so much for letting me be part of your church. Thank you for welcoming me so warmly. I had such a great time with you in your church. And yeah, I think it's so inspiring how the two of you served the people around you, how much effort you took into every Sunday service, and how you love Jesus and the people around you. That really inspired me. And I'm praying that your faith will keep growing and your love for everyone will stay, and that you have joy in the ministry and in everything you do. May God bless you and have a wonderful Sunday.
Si Pastor Kevin at si Pastor JR ay parehas na matulungin sa kapwa. Maraming salamat po mga pastor sa patuloy niyong paglilingkod. Pagpalain kayo ni Lord sa inyong mga ginagawa.